He ran right into me. What about you, Enki? Why are you so scared? You gonna melt?
What? Hi. Hi, sweetheart.
Uh-oh. I think Mommy's gonna get you wet, buddy. Oh, no. Oh, goodness. Who told you could climb up there anyway? Uh-oh. Oh, no. It's so cold. It's so cold. Oh, the humanity. Oh, the humanity. Oh, the felinity. Get it? Because you're a feline? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, bud. You little cutie. What a handsome guy. What a handsome guy. What's in that empty box? Is it sailboat fuel? Is that filled right full of sailboat fuel? What do you think, buddy?